how to make orange lentils and white rice, a delicious Indian dish, guys. Dal and rice recipe. Orange lentils, these are not the yellow ones, so this goes by orange, brown, or you can just call it lentils, right? 2 cups of lentils. You can see this is called Masoor Dal. These are our basmati rice, so 2 cups of lentils, 2 cups of basmati rice. We will cook these guys all at once. It's going to take around 45 to 50 minutes for this delicious dish. Pot or a pan on the stove, put it onto high flame, guys. Lentils right in here. 6 cups of water. One medium-sized tomato in this. It's a very easy recipe we all can make at home. 1 medium-sized onion. It goes in here. Give it a mix. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Indian recipe goes with the spices. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. We will add 1 tablespoon of salt for now. Perfect. Our stove is on the high flame. We'll put it now on the medium flame for 30 minutes. The medium flame, just leave it like this. If your water dries up, just add a little more water. Guys, let's make our rice in rice cooker. We'll take half tablespoon of cumin, 2 cups of basmati rice, you go in, and half tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoon of oil. We'll add 3 cups of water in here. Give it a good mix. That's what it is, man. It's so easy. Let's close this down. On to cook for 25 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, we'll wait on our lentils. Look at the lentils. Let me show you. So far, it's going to be like this. My friends, it's been 30 minutes. Okay, I added 2 more cups of water, so altogether it had been 8 cups of water in this guy. The dal is perfectly done. Let's put this on the side. The tomatoes has been dissolved, onion has been dissolved. The best part, let me show you this. The rice is ready. Look at this. Look at inside. Rice cooker, basmati rice. They are perfectly ready. Let's close this down. We still have 15 more minutes for our this delicious dal to get 100% ready. Let's make the the tempering for this whole thing. We will heat up our oil. We will add some onions and some herbs. Let me show you that right here, right in front of you. Okay, it goes here. So in the next pan, we will heat up this guy. We will add at least 15 to 20 tablespoons of oil in this. 1 medium-sized sliced onion, garlic. Add this right in this guy. So here we will take 1 tablespoon of cumin, at least half stick of cinnamon, and 4 to 5 cloves. We will take 4 to 5 red chili, the dry ones. And of course some green chilies. Since it's an Indian dish, it should be spicy. So guys, somehow I lost my audio in this video, so this is a voiceover just to tell you what ingredients I'm adding. So after 5 to 7 minutes on high flame, the tempering of the lentil is ready. So here you go. We will add all of this right on top of our lentils. And here, after mixing all this tempering, we will cover it with the lid and we will cook this guy, this whole lentil dish for another 10 minutes, or just put it on to simmer. It's much better. So after all this hard work, guys, this is the final moment of our dal chawal, the lentil and white rice dish. It's perfectly done. We have cooked this dish in 40 minutes. Here is our beautiful basmati white rice. So time to serve, time to enjoy. You can make this recipe. It's very easy to make. I showed you the whole process. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys very soon. So here's the taste test, right? Oh my god, I was so excited for this. It was super hot, I even burnt my mouth. So that's how it is, man. It's so delicious. You will unable to stop yourself. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Right there, I was like, okay, I'm done. I burnt my mouth. Anyway, this is so yummy, so delicious vegetarian meal you can make at home by yourself, as I mentioned in the video. And I will just keep eating, it was so delicious and hot. All right, guys, thank you so much again. Enjoy this. Yep, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next one. And yes, make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And yes sir, why not? Dal chawal. Bye bye.